Welcome back to the Tie-Dot here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And more seagull merlin. Watch. This is fun. I'm not a Galway girl, but yeah, that's the name of the song. It's fun. I wanted to play. I'm trying to figure out because I don't know if I have copyright or how that works. Because I wanted to do some bar and play to some, maybe do. You couldn't come at a better time, and or some other stuff. I have tons of Celtic and Irish. And I don't like to play a song and then play like. And have to do the video like Dan. You has some cool stuff I can play too, but like without like just to I can do some demos of a bar show you, how some stuff on it, some cool things. But like I don't know. I don't want to because like on YouTube, if I was to play like Last Kiss and on here and then have music underneath it. It would get taken down, or like half it would be deleted due to it would just be like muted for like copyright. So I don't know. What would you do with a drunken sailor? What would you do with a drunken sailor? What would you do with a drunken sailor early in the morning? Drunken sailor. And I'm trying to find a book on this that can show you all kinds of, because it's like a Celtic-y thing, so I want to play like some like stuff on it that's more Celtic. Basically, if you don't know what this is, and I've explained this in other videos, what they did is seagull guitars out of Canada had a bunch of scrap wood lying around and wanted to make a guitar that was basically a dulcimer, and this is what they came up with. And it's just, this is like the crack in musical instruments because you just want to play it. And it's just want to try to figure out stuff like and just figure out like, okay, I can play Happy Birthday on there, and then just try to figure out anything else, So it's just a lot of fun just to screw around with like. That's Guns N' Roses, Sweet Child of Mine. So, kind of just a neat little fun instrument. I like playing it. This is, let me unplug my earbuds. This is a strap that my wife made for me. Because when I play at the Feast of the Hunter's Moon, when I play with the whole 9 yards Scottish dance group with my bar or if I play this out there, I want people to see something that looks traditional, so it's and she made it, and it's amazing. If you go to Mel's Crochet, on Facebook, she makes some, bags that are crocheted. Incredible, high quality, all US made, all US ingredients, products. So, but thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. I talk about all kinds of stuff. I wet shave, which means I use like safety razors, straight blades. I got a brush. I talk about anything. I'm a huge deadhead, so if you've ever been to shows, I can talk to you for forever. I'm a huge cannabis supporter. You name it. I love Scottish, Irish. I mean, I believe we're all one, so we're all humans. And, you know, it's fun to sit there around the campfire and pull out a byron and play, or pull out something like this and just screw around. So, thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Like if you like. If you don't, you don't. God bless you all. Take care. Bye-bye.